Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is the continuation of the pillar installation and the beam woodwork. If it is your first time here on the channel, my name is Gigo, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly please do so and let's do this together. Are you ready for today's episode? If you are ready, then kindly please do like the video and let's go! We've mounted 4 pillars so far, 4 more to go, but that will come when the woodwork for the decking is done, when we've placed all the board. So the beam plates are also being installed now. These two things are very important and have to be placed before we begin with the actual carpentry work, to form the next level. So you can see all 4 pillars are being placed, and the beam plates are also in place and being supported by bamboo. From here you can see the shape of the opening spots, which are the windows and the doors, and that's the work of a beam plate. It gives the shape, and the sizes of the windows and the doors. So here you can know how the length, and the sizes of your windows and doors. So from the windows and doors, you can see that this level is designed to capture the outside view of the Atlantic Ocean, Tema Harbor, Tema Industrial Area, and the Pram Township. Every window has a unique view which looks like a big picture frame from afar or a piece of art. This is just a motivation for you to come back home and build your own lifestyle. Leave your footprint at home. Not necessarily you coming to stay, but you need to have a place where you can come and just relax, and just chill. When there's too much stress out there, you need a holiday place of your own. You need to build something that when you come home, you feel this is my creation. I built this, I designed this, and I'm living this. Talking about motivation, one young guy you should also check out on YouTube is DOT. He's a young guy also building his lifestyle, his dreams. He's really moving fast, and he's on his channel. He goes through a lot of challenges with artisans, and workers coming on site and stuff. So you can also learn something from there. So you should please check out on this guy. He's doing an amazing job. And if you do like what you see on the channel, can you please do like the videos and let him know. Comment down below, Gigo, if you are there because of me. And if you are dreaming of building your house in Africa or Ghana, there's these 2 channels you have to put on your list: Ghana Dream and Ghana Dreams for Life. These are 2 different channels. You definitely have to check out on them. On their channel, it's all about action, quoting, action. These guys are really working so hard on their project, and they share their life story. When it comes to labor, they promote a lot of artisans on their channel. These 2 channels to really promote Ghana artisans. So if you are looking out to work, and their project is almost completed, so you can get a lot of artisans from this channel. Kindly please do check them out, like their videos, comment on their videos, and let's bring guys home. Let's bring the youth back home. It's possible to do this, so let's do this together. let's build to motivate the coming generation to do much better. Thanks for staying with me till this far, and I'll see you in the next episode.
Video no wash the beer and why office one person over subscribe. Yaro. Yaro when you are shiro. And that yes, I will for video now. Subscribe it. Subscribe it. Subscribe. No subscribe you should one like it. Madam Washi.